Hi from the ranch. I hope you're all having a great day. We finished the greenhouse, so I wanted to do a real quick tour. I am so appreciative. I just love this greenhouse so much. So there's the entry, big sliding doors on each side. This is going to be my lettuce patch. It's kind of sheltered from the afternoon sun, so I'm hoping it will deter the lettuce, and I'll put cilantro there to keep it from bolting. So Dan built this walkway, this raised walkway, so I can water away and not get all muddy. Before we built this, I was a little bit muddy. There's the builder. Hey, Dan.
Hey.
He did such a great job, along with our good friend Brian. Helped us out. So in here we have all kinds of seedlings that I have started. It's kind of succession seedling. I've been moving them gradually into bigger pots. These will all go in the raised bed that we're working on. By we, I mean Dan and Brian. Working on outside. It's maybe 90% complete. Here we have some things in the ground. We got a strawberry growing. I just love this wood walkway. Again, all of this is either leftover from our ranch house build, or we got it at auction. So the windows, I know I've said this a couple times, but it just thrilled me. I got all of these windows for $225 at an auction, and they're all new. They all have little flaws, but yeah. So this is just like a nice sitting area, or we could use it as a potting area if we need it. But I could also use it for like journaling, reading, laptop. It's a very calming space. This is our work and potting bench right here. Room for storage underneath. The roses, they're eventually going to go over here. It's going to be a medicinal and rose garden over there. High winds are coming up tomorrow, so I didn't want to plant them today and then have them beat up in the wind. Give them some shelter in here. And then over here, this is going to be, eventually it's going to be our citrus area. Say hi, Coco. This cat adopted us the other day. Came to us on a full moon. Hasn't left. He's a cool cat. And then here we have a garden box. And this is going to be our herb garden. And I'm going to have bright flowers here that will attract pollinators. And then I'll back up. Back. I want to turn it sideways, but I'm not very good at the video editing, and whenever I do that it just turns sideways. So there we go. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for checking in.